is Abraham, and well, y'all can call me Young A or Young Abraham or Abraham, whatever. I want to introduce myself. First of all, my name is Abraham. As you can see, my English is pretty bad because honestly I'm still learning English as my second language. No big deal. My first language is Español. And I'm 16 years old. My birthday is May 25th. I live with my dad and my stepmom. Yeah. And yeah, I want to explain some things. First of all, I'm gonna be doing some Spanish part of Spanish videos, or I'm gonna introduce both languages, Spanish and English, to my videos, because some people speak only Spanish, some people speak only English, some people speak both. So okay. And other thing is that I'm making this my first video because it's interesting. I guess this is something that I can do, and it's my experience watching Prey, the Harley Quinn's movie. So I'm super excited because Harley Quinn is that bitch. Yeah, she is. And I've been listening to the album like the last couple weeks. Oh yeah, this is interesting. I'm gonna be with a couple of my friends. I'm just waiting for my uncle to come and pick me up, and we can go and pick my friends up. And yeah. Hola, soy Abraham. Me pueden llamar Abraham. Creo sí. Pero me voy a introducir. Ok, primero. Primero voy a introducirme a mí mismo. Soy Abraham, tengo 16 años. Fuck, what's happening with my fucking Spanish? Tengo 16 años, vivo con mi papá y mi madrastra. Y sí, no hay nada interesante sobre mí. Estoy haciendo mi primer video porque creo que es algo divertido para hacer y es una buena primera experiencia. How do you call that? Cuando llamas a alguien. La primera impresión. Creo que es una buena primera impresión para YouTube y para ustedes hablar de qué tal me fue viendo Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn movie. Y sí, voy a estar hablando los dos lenguajes, es español e inglés. Perdónenme, discúlpenme si en este momento mi español y mi inglés están súper cruzados, pero hago lo mejor por sacar un lenguaje a la vez. Y pues nada, ya solo estoy esperando por mi tío a que venga y me recoja para ir a recoger a mis amigas, y nos vamos al cine y voy a estar grabando todo esto. Solo vamos a esperar.
2 hours later.
So hi, we're here at the movie with my friend. I never done this before. And she's my other friend. Hi bitch. And we're gonna see my other friend. She's my other friend. She don't really like cameras.
I'm the cheerleader.
Yeah, we're playing.
Disfruten.
excited. Why? Because it's Harley Quinn, bitch.
How can you get it?
Yeah, it's Harley. See that bitch, and we can see that bitch, and we can see that bitch. So now we're gonna play some dinosaur stuff. I love dinosaurs.
Me too. They're so fun.
What the hell? I'm not playing. Why I'm not? Bitch, no, this is a fucking. I want my money back. Bro. Do it. The
No,
4
not
points.
yet, not yet.
So basically, she's playing alone. This bitch took my fucking money. So here's this bitch, and those another two bitches. She just did it. We're ready. We're ready. Okay. We're ready. She say he's cute. Jacqueline. Jacqueline, where are we going? Yeah, she has the mood. Yoreli, where are we going? Bueno, dinos en español, ¿a dónde vamos? Got you. Got you. Oh my god, this is a fucking good experience. Some candies.
Sí, yo quiero ir al de Frozen.
We just watched Frozen 2.
Pero quiero verla otra vez.
Ooh. Why am I always the only boy?
What did you have time to do a shoe change? Come on.
She's pretty.
Ay, vende palomitas.
So, how was the movie?
It was okay.
So, what do you think about the movie?
It was great.
It was great. ¿Qué opinas de la película?
Super excited. I love it.
Okay, first of all, she never talks in English, so I don't know why she did it. But yeah, she says super excited. She loved it.
The moment, yeah. Why we can't like kill her?
That's a good dinosaur. That's a good dinosaur.
Oh, we're not supposed to kill her?
No. Oh yeah.
Yes, we are.
Okay,
Oh,
3
okay.
points. Okay, okay.
Wait, tú ya no estás jugando. ¿Cómo que I let you?
Frostbite.
I'll let you do it. What the heck? As you can see, these girls are still trying to get the fucking monkey. So guys, welcome to my channel. You're so stupid when I do that.
Hi.
You look pretty.
Thanks. I know.
Just today, okay? Cause so I just got home, guys. As you can see, my hair is a mess right now. But yeah, as you can see, I had fun. I really liked the movie. It was so good. I love Harley Quinn. Harley Quinn, you bitch have my heart. And yeah, I just wanna say thank you to my friends. And I really had fun. I really liked the movie. Una vez más, pues la película estuvo muy chingona, compas. Y me gustó mucho, emocional, pero sobre todo el poder de la mujer, girl power. Ay, pues nada, todo estuvo chido, como pudieron ver. I'm gonna say thank you for watching, and I hope y'all enjoy the video, my first video. And yeah, this is a new chapter for me that I'm excited. I'm really excited.